New zero carbon and environmentally friendly fast installation of building materials, flexible stone. Take you on tours of largest flexible stone factory in China. This is our factory buildings. This is one of our workshop. This is our automatic production line. This is our sample area. This is our 3D printing room, engine machine. You can have different variations on the printing. This is our stock area. Huge stock means you can deliver your materials very faster. This is our parking area. Every corner we have the plastic. This is our showroom. Here is the flexible stone samples display area. We have big slabs 1.2 by 2.4 and the smaller size 60 by 120, usually for external. We have plenty textures and colors. Also, if you want to customize your colors, you just send us Pantone numbers. If you're interested in, all the samples can be free. Welcome to inquiry.